So I actually got introduced to network marketing about 6 years ago now, and I actually got first introduced to Isagenix. Isagenix is a weight loss kind of system or program, whatever you want to kind of call it, and it comprises of protein powders, bars, snacks, and the program involves like intermittent fasting. And I tried some of the products, and because I'm FODMAP, they didn't agree with me at all. And I found, personally, I eat quite healthy anyway, and they just didn't sit that well in my stomach. I found they were quite processed, a lot of whey, which, to be honest, I'm ethically kind of trying to move away from dairy. It's just quite intensive. That's my personal opinion. I'm not saying that anyone else should stop dairy. But yeah, so I didn't really love the product, and you have to buy product each month to stay active, which is another reason why I really struggle with it. Just hitting those minimums each month and trying to buy product that I could actually take. Other people I know very close to me have done really well with it. I think as well, if you have a big weight loss on the product, obviously that's one way to really kind of sell the product. But I've been slim most of my life. I have fluctuated in my weight, but I don't have a huge amount of weight to show that massive weight loss journey. So another company I tried out was called Inner Origin. Again, it was started in Australia, and it's about a healthy online version of like a supermarket, but without the fresh fruit and veg. So think about like cleaners for houses, makeup, skincare products. There's quite a few different things that they do. I joined it for a while, and I didn't find that I loved all the products. Like Dr. August has a product that's like a face oil, which is amazing. That's really nice, but it's got no SPF in it, so I wouldn't wear it in the day. I'd only wear it at night, but it's really nice product. And also the Ibummerang is a very good product, but again, I just didn't love the flavour myself, and my sister absolutely loves it. But yeah, again, like we are getting money about, I think, every month from that company, and it's about 73 New Zealand dollars each month. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. Again, there's no, I think you pay to join the company, but you don't have to pay monthly for that one. So yeah, it's like a yearly subscription. I want to talk to you about Miessence. So I've tried a few of the different products, and what I liked about it was that it's totally natural, so it's safe for you. It was founded in Australia as well, so it's this side of the world, which I liked about the company. You do have to buy like a pack to start out, which I'm not so massively keen on. And then when I got the product, I didn't actually like the product. The main reasons were that the smell of the products just wasn't my kind of thing, and the price point is actually quite high, considering you can actually get a lot of those kind of products at the supermarket. New Zealand's got such amazing selection of natural products in supermarkets, pharmacies, so I think it would be quite a hard sell having that kind of product. So yeah, that's kind of my view on Miessence, and which is why I'm not doing it anymore. So I also looked into travel, started with World Ventures, and it looked really good from the outset. Again, a monthly cost to it, not as high as some companies, but when I looked at what was in Australasia, there's hardly any kind of deals for holidays. So, and most people here go and book batches, so not resorts or hotels, they book batches. So it's normally booked through booking.com, Airbnb, or Book a Batch. So that was kind of a real put off for me. And also customers had to pay each month, which I thought was a bit kind of unfair, I'll be honest, and I thought that would really kind of limit like how easy it would be to sell it. So I just got bitten. And so I looked into another travel company called Ibummerang, which I've been with for a while, and I pay monthly for it to have the business, but then customers to use the site, it's totally free. So I mean, I managed to get 26 customers in just over 2 weeks, which was just amazing. It's the first kind of success I've actually had in a company at all, and yeah, it's because it was free. Again though, unless you're staying in hotels or resorts, it's not really great for New Zealand because yeah, we stay in thatchers mainly. And then I've had a slight issue with paying for my membership as well, and currently, so this is beginning of 2020, customer service is really slow. There's no number for me to actually call on, so I think I'll use it when I want to travel to Australia or the islands. I think would be really good, but I'm not sure like how good it's going to be when I want to go away for like weeks at a time. So another company I've looked into is Juice Plus. Now, what I really loved about Juice Plus, it's 167 New Zealand dollars for a year. So not monthly, a year for the business. Customers don't have to pay like to be a customer, you basically buy product as a customer. And what I liked about the product is they are totally natural. So they're whole food, basically dried, put in a capsule to increase your fruit and veg intake basically every day. I really love the protein powder, and it's vegan and it actually tastes really good. I really like the chocolate flavour. So I've been taking that for quite a while now, and I built that up slowly, especially obviously being FODMAP. I just built it up really slowly so my body could get used to it. And what I take every day as well is the omega, and it's vegetarian omega as well, so that's really cool. I mean, again, maybe if you've got a big weight loss transformation, it's going to be easier to sell, but I really like it. The price point is really low. The products, I really like the products. You know, maybe they are seen as quite expensive, but it's equivalent to like $4 a day, so it's like a coffee a day basically on products to help boost your body. The one that I'm trying that is available in New Zealand is called Prove It. So it's a type of ketone, and it's naturally fermented, so it's similar to your own body's ketones. So I've just started taking that. I've only tried three flavors so far, and I'll have another video on the review of Prove It. So far I haven't loved the flavors, but like I said, I've only tried 3 out of 10 so far. So, or actually, sorry, out of 12. So 3 out of 12 I've tried, because they've actually got bone broth as well. And I've heard also the creamer is really nice, but I haven't got any of that to try. So yeah, again, if you have 2 people sign up as like team members, then it basically pays for your own product, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, like I always like to try the products first and see whether I like them or not, so I'm just as a customer at the moment just trying them out. Yeah, I also tried is World Organic. So that is a company, actually I think that was started in New Zealand, maybe Australia, I don't actually know. And it's a very natural based product for your skincare, and that's really nice. I actually still have some of the products already, and really nice, beautiful products. I just didn't carry on with it because I found that it's quite a competitive market, and I think for that kind of company you need to do like at home presentations so people can really see the product. So I've got some customers through that because I told friends and family about it, so they obviously could try the products from me, and then they bought the products. So then obviously that's kind of like my downline, as it were. But yeah, I really found that overall of the products, Juice Plus I think I'll carry on taking. I really like the fact that it's a really low price point, and travel is an amazing thing to get into. I just think right now I don't know any company in New Zealand that is really hitting the nail on the head for it. Like I said, a lot of people in New Zealand book batches, so they book it through different places instead of resorts or hotels. So I don't know if they can really compete with like Airbnb, for example. But I guess if you want to kind of team up with Airbnb, I think they have an affiliate scheme. Booking.com definitely have an affiliate scheme, so that is something that I kind of looked into more as well, is actually doing more affiliate schemes than the typical MLM kind of company. So I'll put some links below. So disclaimer, I am a promoter of Juice Plus, and I'm currently with Ibummerang. So every other company that I've mentioned, and I'll put links below, I'm not affiliated, or I don't have I'm not a member of them. So something to think about as well when you're choosing a network marketing company is the training that you're gonna get. So Juice Plus have an amazing team that I'm part of in Australia, and they do a lot of training and on calls and things like that. And Ibummerang also have I signed up under Mike Healy, so if you do a search for him on YouTube, you'll find he's got a lot of educational information there, and that's something that's going to help you succeed in your business. So that's something to really look out for, whatever company you decide choosing. I hope you found this really useful. If you have any other questions or want me to review any other companies, these are the ones that I've tried myself and what I kind of ended up doing. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and also check out my other video as well about network marketing.